What you can really learn from a billionaire about investing and why you've been lied to. Welcome to the truth nobody wants to tell you about building wealth. If you're following the mainstream advice about 401ks, IRAs, and conventional stock market investing, thinking that's the road to riches, you've been lied to. The truth is, those strategies will never make you truly wealthy. They're designed to keep you in the system, making just enough to survive, but never enough to thrive. Today, I'm going to break down what billionaires actually do differently, and why asymmetrical investments are the key to escaping the financial trap most people are stuck in. Let's get right to it. 401ks and IRAs are not wealth-building tools. They're Wall Street's money machines. You're told to lock your money away for 30 to 40 years while they collect management fees, whether the market goes up or down. By the time you retire, inflation has eaten up a good chunk of your gains, and the taxes you've deferred come back to bite you. That's not wealth. That's slow-motion financial servitude. And those financial advisors? Most of them are completely incompetent when it comes to real wealth building. They're trained to push safe investments that barely outpace inflation. Their firms make commissions off the products they sell you, not based on what actually builds wealth. Ask yourself, how many financial advisors are rich? They make just enough to look the part, but they're not living the billionaire lifestyle they sell you on. They're part of the machine. Homeownership. Another lie. You've been sold the dream that owning a home is an investment. But here's the truth. A mortgage is just a 30-year liability dressed up as an asset. Billionaires don't buy homes hoping they'll appreciate. They buy real estate for cash flow and leverage. The equity in your home is locked away until you sell it. Meanwhile, the ultra-wealthy use that cash to buy income-generating assets. Here's where things get really interesting. Billionaires play by a completely different set of rules. They don't chase 7% annual returns. They look for asymmetrical investment opportunities where the potential upside is massive, but the downside is limited. Tony Robbins breaks this down perfectly. In his book, Money, Master the Game, he explains how the wealthy focus on investments where a small risk can generate huge returns, what he calls asymmetrical investing. And it's not just Robbins saying this. Warren Buffett, arguably the most successful investor of all time, follows a similar principle. He doesn't diversify for the sake of it. Instead, he finds opportunities where he can leverage his capital for outsized returns with minimal downside. Billionaires understand that true wealth isn't built by playing it safe. It's built by betting on the right opportunities at the right time. Now, if you want to break free from the system, you need access to the same kind of opportunities billionaires have. This is where capitalist exploits comes into the picture. Capitalist exploits is a beacon for investors who are tired of the status quo. They offer access to the insider, which isn't just a newsletter, it's connected to a real hedge fund. This is the kind of elite-level guidance that opens doors to asymmetrical investments you'd never hear about from mainstream financial media. The insider uncovers off-market opportunities, geopolitical plays, and asymmetric investments with the potential to deliver life-changing returns. This is the type of intel billionaires use to grow their wealth exponentially, and now you can access it too. If this message resonates with you, smash that like button and drop a comment below. What's the biggest financial lie you've ever been told? I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you share this video with someone who needs to break free from the system, and hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping more content that will change the way you think about money forever. The time to escape the rat race is now. Stop playing defense. Start thinking like a billionaire. It's time to find those asymmetrical opportunities that can unlock your financial freedom.